Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Make sure your PC runs Windows 10 or 11 and has an available USB port for the 4 GHz dongle. Plug the dongle in. Once done, charge the BlackShark V2 Pro fully or connect via USB-C for a wired fallback. Install Razer Synapse 3 now so you can configure audio profiles. Why do this? Because drivers and software let you access surround, EC, and mic options, so set them up before moving to pairing and testing. Next, pair and configure audio. Turn the headset on and press the pairing button until the LED blinks. The dongle links automatically. Open Synapse 3 and select the BlackShark V2 Pro. Adjust microphone gain and side tone so you hear your voice without feedback. Enable 1 surround for positional audio and tweak EQ presets to taste. Once done, set the headset as the default playback and recording device in Windows sound settings. This ensures games and chat apps send sound and mic input through the headset. Finally, verify everything works. Join a quick game and make a voice call to test audio and microphone clarity. If you hear latency or dropouts, switch to wired USB-C to compare. This isolates wireless interference. If mic level is low, increase gain or enable noise suppression in Synapse. When pairing fails, reset the headset by holding power and pairing buttons, then repair the dongle. Also check Synapse for firmware updates. These steps finish the setup and fix most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.